went to Crater Lake a few days ago, and we really haven't had a chance to play here at camp. We're camped right by the Williamson River. About to go over there with Taryn. We packed up for the day. It's picnic, kayak, swim, mess around. We don't know. We never know. But today we're gonna play. What's up, Shanty? Where's your mom?
We're going over there. No paddle. Look at this.
Memorial Day weekend, we have 0 crowds. 0 crowds. This is how you do it. Trying to take me out.
Shotzi is officially following us on shore, not struggling in the water, so we can get to where we're going faster. Shotzi, come on, let's go. Hey, what are you doing? Whoa. Crazy looking.
This is it. It's the last one. You've had a bunch. Okay. I hope that's enough. That's all I brought. I gave her 2 biscuits and then... So clear. I can't get over it.
I like me some fresh water.
Yeah. I'm gonna drink it right now. I'm gonna drink it right now on camera. Drink it.
Wasn't on camera. You got a virus.
Okay. It was good. It was really good.
Should have wore a mask when you did that. Stop. You're gonna get some shit. That's real.
All right, guys, we've reached the end of the river. We can't go any farther. It goes from that to more of like this, but a larger version. So we're gonna turn around and go back that way.
Sure would be nice if you'd turn around. Ridiculous. Look at her.
Captain. Okay, so the road is closed. Like I said, they get a lot of snow. So we're gonna walk on foot to a couple of the view spots from here. Snow gets that high. Higher than that, probably. That's crazy.
Go grab the snowboard. I just wanna...
Yeah, it's smooth. Wow.
Go, go, go. I hate uphill. Go. Wow. Wow. It's so cool.
Got the reflection. It's not being messed up by the waves on this angle.
It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, so the lake is super, super blue because there's no springs or streams that feed into it. It's completely rain and snow melt that feeds into the lake itself. And so it's named one of the purest lakes in the entire world because of the lack of sediment and minerality in the lake itself. And then it's the deepest in the United States at 1,943 feet. It's pretty awesome.
Gonna head up to the next spot.
Yeah. Lightning Springs Trailhead. There's a camp down there, a mile. Oh, Pacific Crest Trail's in 4 miles.
Well, you definitely can't get there.
No, let's see. Where's the trail? I can't see it.
Yeah, just go that way. Babies, get up there. Get up there. All right, all right.
Yeah, what happened?
She got loose.
Get down here. Come on.
We lost our dog.
You're not allowed to be up
Come here. Over here. Get lower. Over here. Get over here.
down here.
Get over here.
Come on, you're not allowed to be up there. Get down.
Come here.
Get down.
Come here, right here. This is where we got up. Come here.
No.
Come here. Come here.
It's crazy looking. Oh, I want to take these and build a house with it.
Hey, do that.
It's so awesome. Got Union Peak, McLaughlin, and Mount Shasta. That's where we were camping last. So Union Peak. And see how much you can see it.
Okay, here we go.
There you go.
Union, Mount McLaughlin, and Shasta.
Way out there.
Way out
Huge,
there.
bro.
Looks like a cloud.
Covered in snow still.
This is all I wanted to do.
And we're just laughing at her. Come on, let's go. These are awesome.
Did you just eat the snow?
Yeah. What's up? What?
This is the purest lake, not the purest snow.
Oh well. So different than the air we breathe, right? It tastes pure.
Snow cone.
I hope.
No. No.
It's actually pretty good.
I'm gonna eat a granola bar.
I'm on a diet.
Trail's closed.
Alright.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, this is worth the walk around. We can see the reflection on the whole rim.
Okay, so where are we? We are... There's Wizard. We are... We're like right here, right? The Watchmen? The Watchmen Overlook. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we walked here. You can keep walking, but we're gonna just turn around and we're gonna go back. All right, so we're back at camp and Crater Lake was awesome. It did not disappoint. There's definitely not a lot to do right now with the time of year. A lot of the trails are closed, obviously because of the snow. But if you're a road biker, that's pretty awesome. And the hike, still, the views were amazing just walking along the road. And the blue is like no blue you've ever seen before. This video is not going to even do it any justice, so highly recommend.